everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to create an AI project. So let's see what we are going to create today. So today I will build SEO, Search Engine Optimized Blog Title Generator, and we will use free AI tools like Groq API and Llama 3 tools and Streamlit to build this application. So you can create this application on your own using the free open source tools, and yeah, you can showcase your skills, your AI skills to your organization or in your school, college, in any field. You can create this project and you can show your skill sets. So let's get started. So hope you are really interested in this video. If you are interested, then please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. So let's see. So in this for this project, what are going to do is we will build an Streamlit UI. We will use this Streamlit web UI to build our application, and then we will use the Groq API compatible with OpenAI to communicate with the um, Gen AI model. We are using the Groq API, and then we are using the Llama 3 models so that we will interact using the Groq API. We will interact with the Llama model, through which we will get the response. With the help of Llama 3, we will get the generative AI response. Then we will securely manage our API keys. We will store our API keys in the .env file so that it is not visible to everyone. So we will separate it from our main code. So this is the best practice. We should always keep our API tokens in a different .env file. Okay, so next is we will customize AI output using the temperature and prompt engineering. So I will let you know that what is the use of temperature and prompt engineering and how we can, as per our requirement. So that what are the prerequisites for this project? You should have Python installed in your system, and you should know basic knowledge of Python. And here we will install all the libraries you should have. Like here we need Streamlit, OpenAI, and Python dot env libraries. And then we should have a Groq API key. You should have this beforehand before implementing this project. You should have the Groq API key that is required to using this API key. We will connect with the Llama model. And you can have the VS editor and proper internet connection. So now I have everything. So now let's start with the demo. So first I will show you how we can run this application. Then we can see the source code, how it is working. Okay. So now, yeah. So now let me run this project. Okay. So it is very simple. So this is my program. Okay. Okay. Let me cancel the previous job. Or I can show you the project itself. So let me show you the project. So this is our application, okay? So that is running in my system. It is loading. Okay, I have stopped. Yeah, let me run my application. Yeah. So this is my application, and this UI I have built using the Streamlit UI library. So which you can use. This is free of use, or this is open source Streamlit. So you can use for your web application to build your UI user interface. Then here you can give the blog topic or blog details. Suppose this is my, you can take any blog. First you can add your, you need to enter the blog here. Then we are selecting this model API. It will call to, it will call this model Llama 3 model. And then here we have temperature with which we can create, we can generate the randomness. We can increase or decrease the randomness in our chat, in our model. In our output, we can generate different outputs using by customizing, by changing this creativity temperature. Now I will click on generate files. So it will generate. I have given some blocks, so it is suggesting some SEO friendly blog title option like Meta AI's ambition, Mango, and avocado to challenge OpenAI and Google by 2026. So it is suggesting few SEO friendly blog titles. Okay. So interesting, right? And I think hope you are liking this video. If you are liking this, then please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Okay, now let's see how this application is built, how we can create this application in detail. So let me share my Visual Studio. Yeah. So let me tell you one by one step what I did to build this application so that you can implement on your own. So first of all, I have imported all the required libraries here. So OS for the to connect with the operating system, we are importing the OS library, then Streamlit, because in this project we are building the we are using the web UI of Streamlit, so that is why we need this library. And then we are using .env because we are storing our key in this .env file. Okay, so that is why we need this library .env. Then then we are using the OpenAI compatible API. So that is why we need this OpenAI library. In the next step, we are loading the .env environment. So this will fetch the API from .env file. Then here we are initializing the OpenAI object with the Groq API and the base URL. That is the Groq API URL compatible with OpenAI. So here we are calling the with the help of this API, we will call the Llama models. Okay. Then in the next step, we are creating our web page. You can change it as per your requirement. So here we have given the page title, then page, after the page title we are giving, we have this where we are taking time for, where you will give your blog details for which you want to fetch the, for which you want to generate the title. So you can give the topic here. So according to your entered text, it will generate the title for your blog. Then here we are selecting the model. For now, I have added only one model. For here you can add more model if you have more model details. So you can put here, you can add comma, and then you can add list of all the models. Okay, so next is here, next what we are doing? Next we are taking the temperature from the slider. So see, you have already seen that we had one slider from where we were changing the temperature. Okay, so which will change the creativity of our application. So if we increase the number of temperatures, so it will have more randomness. So it will create more new contents. Okay, more random contents. So if so, according to our requirement, we can adjust the temperature in our application. Okay, then then here we have this generate title button. So once we are clicking it, so it is calling this model, and in the message we are just setting up the context. Like this is her context. The model has to be behave like a block title generator and generate SEO friendly block title about topic. So topic it is taking from the text which we have entered before. So here we are taking the topic in the text from the user in the text. Okay, then so we are giving this topic and the temperature which we have set, and max token is number of words we will get as an output. So it is max 100. So as per our requirement, we can change this value as well. Okay. So we are giving all the details. Then we will get the response in our response variable. Then, then it will set the titles. It will generate the content and it will extract all the output. And then we will get the output. And if there is any error, so it will throw any error. This is our complete code, how this application is working. If you have any questions, please comment in comment section. And if you think that this is a good project and you can implement it, so please like and share and subscribe to the channel. Please share it. Yeah. Okay. So now let me run this application again. So what I did, because this is a Streamlit application, so we need to use this Streamlit run, then main.py, and then I did enter. So this will open my application. And here also you can add any topic. Okay. So you can select any topic. I am selecting this. Okay. So I am adding. So let me take this one. So this is my blog and I will add it in my application. So here I am giving this topic to my application, and here this is the model which will generate the response, and this is the creativity. So more you will change this value, it will generate more randomness. It will create more new content. And if you will reduce it, so it will have less randomness and it will almost generate same content. Okay. So I am setting this, then now generate title. So now it is generating and now it has generated unveiling the hidden gems, exploring the Yamuna biodiversity park. Okay. And if I change the randomness, let's see what happens. Okay, I have changed it. Now I change the titles. The unseen threat to Aravali ecosystem. Why maximum weight should worry you? Amazing, right? Yeah. So this is how easily you can generate your own AI application with using all free tools. So I think it is a very good learning for us. We can use this application for the learning environment. We need to be competent. So for that, so that's all for the today. And if you have any question, any concerns, please comment in comment section, and please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. So that's all. Thank you everyone for joining. Have a great day ahead.